You're not gonna be able to find this information anywhere else. You can Google it, you can ask ChatGPT, they're gonna have no fucking clue. And that's because what you're about to learn can only be learned through experience.
I haven't seen anything unlike it. It's unparalleled to any other company that's out there.
I didn't even do everything the program told me to do. I just did like the first couple of steps, and I got 100 points in 30 days. So, imagine what could have happened if I had just done everything really, really thorough, been very diligent, just doing just a little bit of that secret sauce. I saw a very dramatic turnaround in a very short period of time. So it's amazing. I can only imagine what would have happened if I had blown the whole program up and done the whole thing the way I was supposed to. I might have seen 150 points, 200 points, I don't know. But it's an amazing program, it really is.
Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. And it doesn't matter how much credit you get, anybody can change their life. And I tell you what, my heart just skips a beat when I can go into a place and go into, say, JCPenney's, and I want to try to get I want to fill out an application for a credit card, and boom, bang, bing, I'm approved. It's a blessing. It is a blessing. If I can do it, anybody can do it.